going to be doing some extreme adventures, and I'm looking forward to bringing the phone for camera and for communication. So I decided to go with this Pelican marine phone pouch. This one has an attachable lanyard. It's padded, it's going to float, and of course waterproof. So let's see about opening it up at the top here. Oh, I see. You flip these little cams, and then that opens up the top. Oh, okay. Very nice. So it's kind of a mechanical, physical closure for your bag. So this one is, they call the extra large. And let's see, I'll go ahead and just put this phone in here. And we can put the phone in. We got plenty of room on one side for the cameras, plenty of room on the other side for the screen. And of course, you can, with this being touchable, I can get to the buttons, no problem. Like flexible, I guess. And now when I want to snap it back together, I'll just push these tabs out and through the other side, cam them over, and now that phone is going to be waterproof. I can bring it back to life this simple by just touching the button. Really like that. And all the cameras are out there. You can attach it to this lanyard, and now I can go on those extreme adventures and bring my phone with. Thanks, Pelican.